Ranked choice voting is here. Here's what you need to know to make your vote count in Alaska's ranked choice voting general election. Only fill in one oval per candidate in each column. Don't rank a candidate more than once. Your vote only counts once. When a candidate is eliminated in a round, they are eliminated from all future rounds. You do not have to rank all of the candidates. Rank the candidates in order without skipping any rankings. If you skip a ranking, your next ranking moves up. But if you skip 2 or more rankings, only the rankings before the skipped rankings will count. Don't give more than one candidate the same ranking. If you give more than one candidate the same ranking, those rankings and later rankings won't count. Once all the votes are in, tabulation begins. And here's how that works. The votes will be counted, starting with first choices. If a candidate gets 50% plus 1 vote, they win. If not, round 2 begins, with the lowest vote getter eliminated. If your first choice was not eliminated, your vote stays with them. If your first choice was eliminated, your second choice is now counted. If you only voted for one candidate, your vote also stays with them even if they are eliminated. Votes are tabulated again. This keeps happening in rounds until 2 candidates are left, and the one with the most votes wins. Learn more about ranked choice voting at elections.alaska.gov. A message from the State of Alaska Division of Elections.